dark, the screen is bright, and somehow it is midnight again. You are not lazy, you are just tired in a way that scrolling does not fix. So here's a smaller idea: 10 minutes, a soft edge between the day and sleep. First, park your phone outside the bedroom, a kitchen counter, a hallway shelf, a small dish by the door. The distance does the work. You do not need willpower when the phone is in another room. Then, 3 gentle moves. Stand and shake loose for 1 minute. Let the tension fall through your fingertips. Fold forward, let your head hang, breathe into your back for a slow count of 10. Then sit and breathe. In for 4, out for 6. 6 times. The long exhale tells your body the day is done. End with one small gesture. Dim the last light. Rest your hand on your chest. Some nights, this will feel easy. Some nights you will forget. That is fine. Aim for most nights, not every night. Progress, not perfection. Tonight, when the pull to scroll arrives, stand up, walk the phone to its spot, and begin. If this brought you a little calm, like and subscribe. That's all. Be well.